students, welcome to Sunny Sky Primary School. We are going to do our second chapter, long and short. Now what we are going to do today, that we already have done one time in our 40-kilometer marathon race. In that we have found the number of rounds, and also we have found the length of the track. Same way here we are going to do. A table is given to us. So distance to be completed in meters, it is given, it is 800 meter, and this we have to find. Field park for number 1 is 200, 200, 200, 200. That means you will add it and you will know that how much is of one round, and rounds to complete the distance, and how many rounds you have to take to complete that distance. So here how much distance you need to complete? You have to complete 800 meters. A round, a field park. How much is a field park? See, a square is given to us and the length of that square side is of 200. So 200 plus 200 plus 200 and plus 200. We have 4 times 200. So 2 plus 2 6 4, 4 plus 2 8, 4 plus 2 6 and 6 plus 2 8. So our field park's one round is of 800 meter. So how we were doing? We used to do our one round is of 800 meter. If you are starting from this point 200, then you are coming here. So plus 200 400, from here till here 600, and again this line, so 800. So you have completed this one round from here to here. So you have completed one round of 800 meters. So we can say our one round is of 800 meter. How much distance we have to complete? See, we have to complete 800 meters. So how many rounds you need to take to complete 800 meters? Are you getting it? Now it is not in cross. So what we will do? We will do division. So 800 divided by 800, this 0 will get cut, and our answer is 1. 8 ones are 8. So our answer is 1. Now if it is not 800, and if you have to complete the distance of suppose 1600 meters, suppose you have to complete the distance of 1600 meter and our field park is same, you have to run in this field park only, then how much round you need to take? Let us find that. One round is of 800 meter, our field park is same only, it is 800 meter. How many rounds you need to take for 1600? Now you want to complete 1600 meters, then how many rounds you need to take? Let us find. It is not in cross, so we will do division. 1600 meter divided by 800 meter, so 0 and 0 will get cut. Now when 16 will come in the table of 8, 8 2s are 16. So 8 2s are 16. So our answer is 2. You need to take 2 rounds to complete the field of 1600 meters, to complete the distance of 1600 meters in the field park of 800 meters. So the answer that we got for 800 is 1 round, and for 1600 is 2 rounds. Okay. Now what is next? Here distance to be completed in meter is we have to find here. In our number 1, distance was given to us. Now distance we have to find. Field park is 250, 250, that total we will find, and rounds to be completed, the distance that you have rounds are taken are 200. Rounds taken are 2. So first let us find the field park, that in one round how much it is. 250, 250, 250 and 250. Now all the sides are same, it is of 250. Don't do addition 4 times. 250, the same number is there, so multiplied 4 times, it will be easy. So 0 4s are 0, 5 4s are 20 and 2 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. So for one round it is 1000. What we found? One round is of 1000 meters. How many rounds are completing? they are completing 2 rounds. So rounds we will write here, and distance we have to find that how much distance they are doing, completing. 1 round is of 1000 meter, then 2 rounds will be of how much meter? Now this is in cross, so it will get multiplied. 1000 multiplied by 2. Now the numbers without zeros are 1 and 2. So what will be the multiplication of 1 and 2? 1 2s are 2. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2 and 3. Add that 3 zeros. So what is the answer? 2000 meters. So to complete 2 rounds, you need to run 2000 meters in this field park. So let us write here 2000 meters. Now your homework is this both. Before what we have done, you will write in your CW, and this too you will write in your homework book. You have to do calculations by yourself like we have done. It's very easy. We have done before also in marathon race. Today we are doing it again. So you should know that. Now here number 1, 3600 meter is the distance that you have to complete. Field park is 300, 300, 300, 300. So field park is of total 3 4s are 12. 1200 meter is field park. That means 1 round is of 1200 meter. Then how many rounds you need to take to complete 3600 meters distance? So you need to complete 3 rounds. Next, distance you have to find out. Field park is given to you, and here rounds are 2. Rounds taken are 2. What is the field park here? Total meters 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 times 4 is 4 4s are 16. So 1600 meters. In this 1 round is of 1600 meters. 2 rounds you are completing. So in 2 rounds how much distance you will complete? 1600 multiplied by 2 is 3200 meters. So your answer here will be 3200, and this answer will be 3. You have to do calculations by your. We have seen the distance to be completed and the rounds to be taken. That we have found in the field park, that was the field park of square. Now today we will find the same thing, distance to be completed or the rounds to be taken for the circular field. Before we have found that for square field, today we will do that for the circular fields. First one, distance, total distance that is completing, that is given to us, that is of 2500, and field park, circular field park is of 500 meters. Here 1 round is of 500 meters. It is not a side. So we no need to calculate here that we have like we have done in a square. Here it is circular. So 1 round is of 500 meters. So let us write 1 round is of 500 meters. If 1 round is of 500 meters, and if we want to complete the distance of 2500 meter, it is meters, so we will write here. Then how many rounds we need to complete? How many rounds that we have to find? It is not in cross, so we will do division. So 2500 divided by 500. 2500 divided by 500. This 0, this 0, this 0 and this 0. 2 zeros will get cut. So our answer will be, when 25 will come in 5's table, 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25. Don't do mistake when you are doing these cuttings. So you need to take 5 rounds to complete the distance of 2500 meters. I hope you got it. Now number 2. Number 2 distance we have to find. Our field park is of 400 meters and rounds to be complete, rounds are taken is 5. So let us write 1 round is of 400 meters, that is given to us. Total rounds are taken is 5. So 5 rounds are taken. If you are taking 5 rounds around the circular field of 400 meters, then how much distance you are covering? Let us find. 5 and 400 are in cross. So here it will get multiplied. So 400 into 5. What is 4 5s are? 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 and 2 zeros. 1 and 2. So your answer is 2000. See, you will make mistake when you are doing these calculations. Why? Here 4 5s are 20. 20, 1 0 has already come. Then when you are putting 0, you will put only 1 0. Then your answer will be wrong. Here your answer will be 2000. Why? Because 4 5s are 20. After writing 20, you have to put 2 zeros because 2 zeros are here, okay, not 1 0. So your answer will be 2000 and not 200. So take care when you are doing calculations like this. So let us write our answer. Our answer is 2000 meters. Here we have seen for circular field. We will see for rectangular field now. In this number 1, distance to be completed is given to us. It is of 2000 meters. Field park 300, 200, 300, 200. And rounds, how much rounds we need to take to complete 2000 meters, that we will find. First, let us find out that one round is of how much meters. First one, we are starting from here. So 300. Then from here till here it is 200. So we will add 200 plus 200. Then here from here till here again 300. So we will do plus 300. And last from here till here, so 200. So our one round got complete. Let us find the total distance. 300 plus 200 is 500. 500 plus 300 is 800 and 800 plus 200 is 1000. So our one round is of 1000 meter. We got our distance for one round. So our field park is of 1000 meters. Total distance that is completed is 2000 meters. Then how many rounds you need to take to complete 2000 meters? How many rounds? That is a question mark that we have to find. So question mark. So it will be divided 2000 divided by 1000. So 0 0 will get cut, 3 zeros will get cut, and your answer is 2. When 1 is down, the answer will be the number itself. So your answer is 2. Sorry, here. So rounds to be completed are 2. So let us do number 2. Here distance we have to find. Field park is given to us and rounds are also given to us. First we will calculate the field park is of how much meters. 200 plus 50, 250. 250 plus 200 is 450 and 450 plus 50 is 500. So our field park is of 500 meters. You can also do this way. So what we found? We found that one round is of 500 meters. How many rounds are completed here? 6 rounds. 6 rounds are completed. Then in 6 rounds, how much distance you will complete? That we have to find. 6 and 500 are in cross. So 500 multiplied by 6. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. First write 30. Then how many zeros are there? 2. So 3000 is the answer. Add 2 zeros. So your answer is 3000 meters. So write 3000 meters here. What you found? 3000 meters. So to complete, so in this field park, when you are completing 6 rounds, how much distance you are covering? You are covering or you are completing 3000 meter distance. So that 4 problems, that 4 sums you will write in your CW, and you will also write the calculation parts in your classwork. Now your homework is this. I have a very little homework for you. Only 2 sums you will do. In first one you will find the distance and in second one you will find the rounds. See number 1, rectangular field that we have done 200, 100. So first find out the total distance that is covering in one round. So 200 plus 100, 300, plus 200 is 500, and plus 100 is 600. So in one round you are completing 600 meters. So if you are taking 3 rounds, then how much distance you will complete? How much distance will you complete? 600 multiply by 3, 1800 meters. So your first answer you will get is 1800 meters. And number 2, distance completing 1200 meters. Field park is of 300. So one round is of 300 meters. Then how much rounds will you do to complete the 1200 meters? In this you need to divide. So 1200 divided by 300 will be 4. So here your answer will be of 4 rounds. See, here is a map given. You have to answer the questions according to this map. Let us study the map first. See, here the village is A, B, village C, village D, and this one is village E. Let us see the distances between the village. Distance between village A and B is of 25. Between A and D is 30 km. A and C 15 km, and A and E is 20 kilometers. Let us see our first question. How far is village B from village A? Here is village B and here is village A. How far it is? So distance between village B and village A is given to us is of 25 kilometers. So our answer is 25 kilometer. You have to answer the question according to the map given. Number 2 is, what is the distance between village B and village C? Here is our village B and here is our village C. Then what is the distance between B and C? So B and A is 25, A and C is 15. So distance between B and C will be 25 plus 15. So what we will do? 25 kilometer plus 15 kilometer. So our answer 25 plus 15 is 40 kilometer. So answer is 40 kilometer. Now number 3, what is the distance between village A and village D? See here, this one is village A, this one is village D. Then what is the distance between A and D? It is of 30 kilometer. I am not doing 3 and 4 because it is like 1 and 2. You will do this by yourself. I am explaining you. Number 4, what is the distance between village E and village D? Village E and village D. What is the distance between both? E and A is 20 kilometer and A and D is of 30 kilometer. So our answer will be 20 plus 30, 50 kilometers. Let's see our next question. How much distance do Mehul have to cover if he wants to go from village E to village B through village A? Now here Mehul is going from village E. He is going from village E to village, he is going from village E to village B. From here he is going here. But how he is going? He is not going this way. He is going through A. See, he village E, from village E to village B through A. So first he will go here and then from here he will go here. Then how much distance he will cover? Let us find. See, he is going from E to A, E to A and A to B. A to B. Now distance between E and A distance is 20 kilometers. And to reach B, from A to B it is 25 kilometer. So he will cover 20 plus 25. So our answer will be 20 plus 25 is 45 kilometers. So how much distance he will cover? From E to A he will cover 45 kilometers, E to B. See number 6. It is same way like we have done number 5. So you will do this by yourself. Homework. See, I am giving you for homework because you can learn to do by yourself. That's why I am giving you homework. Okay. See, one time I am explaining you how much distance do Sunil have to cover if he wants to go from village C to village D through A. So let's see. From C to D, what is the distance? From C to A, first you will write how will you write? I have written in number 5, no? Like that, first you write from C to A and then A to D. Okay? Then write the distance between C to A. How much it is? C to A is 15 kilometer. Then write plus A to D is 30 kilometer. Then you write 15 plus 30. What will be your answer? It will be 45 kilometer. Okay? Our last question. Which distance is more for Pradeep? Village B to village C or village D to village E? How much? Now we have found already village B to village C and village D to village E in our question number 2 and question number 4. We will do it again. See, village B to village C. From B to A first it is 25 kilometer and from A to C it is 15 kilometer. So for B to C we have to add it. 25 plus 15 is 40 kilometer. So we will write here for B to C our distance is 25 kilometer plus 15 kilometer. We have done this in number 2. So our answer was 40 kilometer. Now let's find the distance between D to E. D to E. This we have done. I have given you the homework. See, D to E. D to A 30 kilometer and A to E is 20 kilometer. So we will write 30 kilometer plus 20 kilometer. 30 plus 20 is 50 kilometer. Now distance we have found. Now we can know that which is more, 40 is more or 50 is more. 50 is more. So distance of 50 kilometer is of D to E. So D to E is more. And how much it is more? We have to say that also. It is how much more? 50 minus 40 is 10. So it is more by 10 kilometers. So you have to draw this map in your CW because you have to answer the questions according to this map. Number 1, 2, 5 and 7 you will write in your CW, and numbers 3, 4 and 6 you have to do by yourself, and you will write that in your homework book. Do very nicely. Okay, thank you.